4x4 Barbie, and this is me on DF36's Mud Machine build. So, I'll tell you guys a little bit about it. We just got some Rockford Fosgate cool can speakers in the back. We're installing them now. This is like halfway through the install. We're putting in an awesome 10-inch sub, and then these awesome color changing speakers. It's gonna sound really great. Finally gonna have some music playing while we're riding around, and it's just gonna be a great time. So that's a wrap on the Stage-5 Rockford Fosgate install. I'm super excited about this system. It's gonna be loud, crisp, clear. You're gonna hear it from miles away and know what it sounds like. If you guys are looking for your own kit, don't forget to visit rockfordfosgate.com. So see you guys later.